Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened AUD USD pair. Okay, here if you understand, just now I have gone with buyers. Why? Let me plot a level. Here I have a buyers area level which previously the buyers have entered strongly. And let me show you my trend line area. Yeah, here I have a selling area for the next reversal if possible, because from there itself the sellers have been entered twice, so you can respect those kind of areas. Okay, so as of now here the market is coming from a buyers area, so regarding that only I have gone with buyers. Okay, what is the next candle now? Easily you can go with buyers with margin of safety. Sir, here the concept is, I will explain you clearly. First of all, there is a support area which I have plotted a horizontal line. Okay, from there the market is coming to the next level. If you understand here, I have plotted one more level. Let me show you. See, this is a zone. The zone, let me highlight you. It is an area where the buyers have continuously entered twice. From that area you can expect buyers, so that's the reason only I am continuously going with buyers. See how strong those area is. So from this area the market is entering, so easily you can go with buyers. My next reversal will be the trend line, which you can expect sellers from those kind of areas. See how the candles are moving. See, at last we got weakness, and finally, yeah, it's a doji candle. Okay, because of our entry point we got win. But now how can you go with sellers? First of all, the doji has been rejected from the area where sellers have been entered. And one more thing you should understand here, previously there was a strong buying candle, but after that you have got a doji candle. What is meant by doji? Which is an indecision candle. Both the buyers and sellers have been entered, but it can't make any kind of decision. So these kind of areas, if it is in a seller's area, what you can expect? Market already reached to the sellers area. Yeah, you can go with sellers, right? So easily go with sellers here. Think logically. Okay, try to apply the levels according to the situations. Okay, try to react the concept here. Okay, don't go against the market, because try to follow the market, you will understand points better. Now what is the next candle? Here still there is a gap. Can I go with sellers? Yes, I can easily go with sellers. So try to go with sellers. And if you notice one more thing, from that trend line, every time whenever the market is reaching to that particular trend line, you have so many rejections in the form of selling pressure is also too high, so easily you can go with sellers here. So sometimes these kind of situations you can see, so easily you can go with sellers here. See how strong the market, and overall the market wants to go down to the next level, which is in the down. So as of now I have plotted only two kinds of levels. One is a trend line which shows you the seller's entry. Second one is a buyer's area where previously the buyers have been entered continuously. So by this you can understand the difference, how the market is reacting to these kind of levels. Is it clear? Okay, what is the situation now? Here if you understand, finally the buyer's area has been entered. This candle you should wait first of all. Why? Because here you have a complication. Once you have break out the major area, so what you will do? Yeah, you can go with buyers here. And second thing, already the market is trying to make strong candles from there. Apart from previous, you notice this time the sellers are strong. So with the margin of safety, I have gone with sellers. Even if you get buyers also, which could be a retracement type only. Otherwise, maximum the sellers will enter. These kind of scenarios will face in these kind of areas. In these kind of areas, after breakout, try to avoid, because both the parties have equal importance to enter. One, it is a strong buying area, it can give you a retracement. Second thing, the sellers are also strong, so they could enter easily. So these kind of situations you may face in this kind of area. So try to avoid these kind of situations, or try to take margin of safety. Oh, 1 second. Yes, finally we got buyers, but we got a win by our entry point only. So these are the reasons you should check whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, now what is the next candle? Do you have any idea? Can I go with sellers? Okay, I have got nice opportunity. Yes, I will try to go with sellers here. 1 second. See how fast momentum. When I was trying to place only, it has been formed. It's okay. This is my late entry. Because of the instant spike, I got late entry. It's okay, but we have to wait up to the end because I don't know whether it will win or lose because my entry, I was waiting for right entry point in the top in the buying area, but suddenly it got spiked to the downwards. You can check that. We'll see. Okay, like previous, I have mentioned a point. The market is trying to go down, so easily the market will go down. So in between, you may get a retracement. So easily you can continue again with sellers. So that's the reason only I have gone with sellers. And now I can officially go with sellers, but entry. Okay, I will do one thing here. I have one more level of horizontal. Okay, I will try to go with buyers in the form of rejection. Let me wait for maximum the sellers will enter. Okay. Okay, let me go with buyers because I didn't get entry for selling. This candle will be a seller's candle only, but we are in a buyer's area too. Maybe we could get one rejection at least. Well, not one rejection, we get rejections in these kind of areas. And one more thing, I should mention you this point particularly. Whenever the market is retesting some level and when it is coming down, it may make huge big candles. So in this kind of this trade is too tricky, so try to avoid these kind of trades. I'm mentioning this point before itself. Maybe I have a level, so that's why I have taken this risk. Otherwise, you don't try this thing, okay? Because try to avoid this thing. Here, in the form of rejection only, we got win, okay? Okay, now what is the next candle? Let me plot level here. Let me adjust the line. Okay, I will plot level. Here, it looked like some pattern, okay? Okay, let me go with buyers here first of all because the rejections are getting higher. Okay, here I can go with buyers. Why? Because previously the market where the level has been plotted, it has made a huge U-turn and the strong buying pressure has been formed from that area. So that cases only I have gone with buyers because in these areas you should be have take some chance for the buyers also because the market gives you rejection in the form of weakness, so easily you can go with buyers here. Okay, so try to check this point. Otherwise, try to wait. If there is no level, yeah, you can wait. If there is a level, try to take the confirmation and take trades. Don't go blindly for the every trade. Okay, now what is the next candle? Can I go with sellers? Here just now the market has been retested, so can I go with sellers? Yes, I can go with sellers because the market, if you notice, it is coming from a level where you can expect one or two retracements only. Yeah, already I got a retracement and the market has been closed exact at the level, so which shows a downtrend easily from the top. If you understand, high low, lower high, lower low, this every time you are seeing these things only happening, so you can expect these kind of situations in the market. So I got a retest area which was the previous level, easily you can expect. Actually, this candle will be the confirmation in these kind of areas. If this confirmation means next candle, you can go with sellers blindly. I can give you guarantee that. But this candle will be the confirmation always because we should wait some confirmations. Regarding that only, I have taken trade. And now I can confidently go with sellers easily because already it's a downtrend. Second thing, the market has been retested. After retesting, you have got a retracement. Again, you got selling entry with strong candle, not at all a weak candle. My next level is somewhat down. So easily I can go right. See, my next level is here where the market made a U-turn, right? So easily up to that level, I can go with easily sellers. So these all situations made me to go with sellers. See, if you understand the market clearly, easily you can predict the candles. If you have clarity, only take trades. Otherwise, don't take trades. Just wait and observe how the market is trying to react. According to that only, you should check the levels as well as market concepts. Okay, don't go blindly every trades. Okay, here I have get nice market, so according to the levels only I have planned and trading these all things. Okay. Okay, now what is the next candle? Here you can check my history. Okay, 1 second, we'll continue here. Okay, can I go with sellers here? Yes, I will go with sellers, but here I have a doubt. If you understand, Here, let me show you how I have gone with sellers. First of all, here if you understand one thing, the market didn't made any new low. And one more thing, the level where I have placed a trade, it is a area where the rejections are formed, and previously the market has been respecting continuously. So you can expect a rejection at least if this is a buying candle also. Okay, so try to check this point. So whenever you are trading in these kind of areas, you should check there is a level. And I should mention this point, most of the people are asking this thing, sir, there is a round number. Yes, there is a round number. Yeah, I know that. Okay, what is the next candle? Here, this is a confirmation candle, but I will try to go with buyers. If this is not a buying candle, I will go only with sellers. Because if you notice from the support before, there is a round number. First time I'm mentioning this point. Sometimes when there are no levels, you should check these round number concepts, because it will give you, sometimes it will definitely work. Like here, from that level you can understand whether there is a round number or not. Okay, so try to point this. In the next video I will explain about the round number clearly. So as of now, check this. Okay, here you have I have gone with buyers because it is a waiting candle actually, but I need confirmation. Here if it is sellers, next candle I will go with sellers, because middle retracement, you all know the reasons. Okay. So now I can confidently go with sellers. Previously I thought the market may U-turn, but it didn't. It given me a selling candle only. So I got one more confirmation that the market wants to go down to the next level. So easily now onwards I will go only with selling candles only, no buyers, because already the buyers have retested particular levels and again cross check. So easily the sellers given me confirmation, so easily I will go with only selling. In between, I am saying, right, in between for the downtrend you may get weak candles which are buying candles, which is called as retracement. In the uptrend, the selling candle will get one or two retracements. Again the market will continue. Same here, the market will continue. In between you may get one or two retracements. Those kind of retracement comes from an area where previous levels have been respected. See, now I can again go with sellers. Why? Because already we got retested that level. So again the market will continue down. So try to understand these all points. According to the trend you should behave. According to the market you should check the levels and take the trades. Don't go blindly for the every candle. Even I have shown you the reality of some candles you need to wait, some candles you need to take confirmations. Later you can take trades. If you really like my content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding trading. Okay. See, easily I think you have got all the examples how the market is really working. I have just plotted 4 levels roughly. 2 are trend lines, which one is trend line and one is horizontals, and there is a zone where the buyers previously respected. Just now the market has been retested that particular level and coming down. Okay, now here I think I have got a weakness continuously. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take margin of safety trade for selling only if possible. Okay, let me get one more opportunity. I will take for selling. 1 second. Yes, I got nice entry. Okay, yeah, I will place my trade because there is a momentum. 3 candles has been started, but if you check the momentum which shows a weakness, maybe I could expect one retracement or something. If this is a retracement, yeah, I will definitely again continue with the selling only. According to the candle I should behave. I will check after the continue, but in the favor of sellers only I have taken trades because we are in a downtrend. So follow the trend. So that's why I have taken margin of safety too. Even if it is a buying candle also, yeah, we can expect a weak because there is no level at all in the left side. Okay, we'll see what will happen. See, here we got a weak candle. Now with margin of safety, I can go with sellers confidently. Why? I have 3 reasons. I will mention that. 1, it is a downtrend. Second thing, we are in a momentum. Third thing, Obviously we got a weak candle of buyers, and fourth thing, yeah, with the margin of safety I have gone with sellers. I have favor of trend and momentum, so easily I can continue my trade for selling. So whenever you get these kind of opportunities, try to grab it, because you may won't get good markets recently because the market is so volatile. So try to get good market and take trades, plot the levels according to that, take trades. Okay, I think most of the people will know what is the next candle now. The candle itself says the story. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you say? See, there is a level which I have plotted. Let me go with buyers first of all. Okay, first of all, I should mention these reasons. First of all, breakout, it's a major level reversal. Yeah. Second thing, previous there was a momentum. I know that, and you all know that. After one retracement, all of a sudden, finally they got a huge selling pressure. Previous there was a week, and finally you got strong selling pressure. Can't you say it was the exhaustion candle? Yes, obviously you can say that. So even there is a late entry also I have taken with buyers, because there are no sellers interested. So easily you can expect a nice strong candle at least. So that's why only, even it is a late entry, I have blindly gone with buyers only, because the area is also strong. The sellers have given me a confirmation that easily you can go with buyers. See, you can check my history, only one loss. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now what is the next candle? Do you have an idea? Yeah, try to follow buyers, nothing else. Don't think much, just follow the details here. That's it. Easily you may get answers. Already the sellers have been exhausted. Who will enter? Buyers will enter. How can you say again you will get buy? Because I got a strong candle, right? If it is a weak candle, yeah, I should think whether there is any level or not. There is no level, right? So how can you expect a sellers here? Yeah, try to go with buyers. If it shows weakness, then think about whether there is any level or not. Okay. So try to check these points, and I have taken with margin of safety also. Maybe sometimes weak candle, later the market will reverse. These kind of scenarios will be happening. So according to this, you can go with buyers here. I think you are getting my points, right? Okay, finally, still in sellers. Okay, finally the buyers have been entered. Okay, this much weakness. Okay, let me check whether any level I have or not. No, I will go with sellers. Okay, why? Let me show you one thing. I will clear this all levels. Okay, let me show you first of all. Here I have a trend line. Just now the trend line. Okay, and one more thing, I will clear this all levels to your understanding. 1 second. Yeah, let me clear. Okay, let me draw a trend line here. Here, if you notice, previously I got a strong candle, it's okay. But next time I got a weak candle, and here I have plotted a level, which is a trend line level, where the trend line is respecting perfectly. So easily you can go with sellers here, and you got a rejection and a weakness so easily, and overall you are in a downtrend. So you can expect at least one candle for selling. So finally we got win, and this is my last trade. Okay, let it complete. Yeah, finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.